The Simpson Strong Tie Titen HD threaded rod hanger is so fast and easy to install, it's the professional's choice for anchoring into overhead concrete. The two-step drill and drive installation process is much easier, so work gets done faster, saving you time and money. This rod hanger meets the latest cracked and uncracked concrete codes and installs with a standard carbide drill bit. It is code listed as well as UL and FM approved, making it ideal for hanging pipes, cable tray, and HVAC equipment. It's why the pros choose the Titen HD rod hanger.